is Lili here. Welcome back to another video. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing my very first Ipsy unboxing. So let's go ahead and get started. So I've been doing Ipsy for 2 years, I think, and every time I get a bag, I'm like, I'm gonna film a video, but I never get to it. So I'm very happy that I finally got to it today, especially starting out the new year, you know, fresh. And so this is my bag. I really like the new bags. Before they were more of a darker pink, and now it's more of a lighter pink. They're just more cute in my opinion. And if you guys don't know, I forgot to mention, Ipsy is a monthly subscription service where you pay $12 every month and you get a cute makeup bag filled with up to 5 sample products. Sometimes they're full size, sometimes they're not. And sometimes you get brushes, which are like my favorite things to get because I like to collect brushes. And so from there on, you take a test before, it's like a little survey, and then from there you can say, hey, I want you to send me more of liquid lipsticks, more mascaras, things like that. You can actually customize it, and then you get in your bag, you get different brands. So it's really exciting because I don't spend that much money and I get to try depending from drugstore items all the way to high-end. So I really do recommend it if you're just starting out, especially with makeup, and if you want to expand your makeup collection. So let's go ahead and open this bag, you guys. So this is the bag. Let's see. Ooh, I see an item that's out of the makeup bag. So this is the first thing I got. It's a white Luxie fan brush. Is it what they called it? Yeah, it's the Luxie 560 medium fan brush, and I love Luxie brushes. They're very good quality and they're very soft. So I'm excited to have this in my collection. The next thing that I see is the makeup bag, you guys. Oh my god, this is so adorable. I love it. It matches my nails. So this is so cute. It's like a marble print with a light pink zipper. So cute. And the zipper is gold, which is perfect. So now let's open it up. Okay, so the first thing I see, it comes with a card and it says January 2020. It says clean slate. Yes, clean slate, because we're starting fresh this new year. And then it has a little quote that says, this is your year. Say goodbye to what no longer serves you. Habits, feelings, expired mascara, and invite in the new. Start your year on a path that sets your dreams in stone. I like it. It's so cute. And it says right here, manifest your best year yet. And right here it says, this year I will. And then you like write in like your goals for this new year. And then in the back, I think it has like a little giveaway. So we'll put this on the side. I forgot to mention that I will be putting, like, I feel like right here or right here, the cost, like the actual value of the product that I'll be getting, just to see how much worth I'm actually getting from my Ipsy makeup bag. Okay, so the first thing I see is this Pearless, I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, Blue Lotus 4-in-1 Cleansing Milk, and it says it gently cleanses skin, removes makeup, tones and soothes, and is sulfate and sulfate free, and is for all skin types. And Blue Lotus is a powerful antioxidant known for its anti-inflammatory benefits. Nice! I'm just recently turned 26, so I'm excited to start using this because, you know, once you hit 25, your skin doesn't produce that much collagen, so I'll definitely be using this. Next thing that I see in my bag is a Ciate or Ciate. I don't know how to pronounce it correctly. Ciate London Glow to Illuminating Blush. It says Skin Brightening Blush, and it comes in this cute packaging and their iconic bow. And let's open it up. I'm gonna get these tweezers because some of these boxes are hard to like open. Okay, I'll open it from the bottom. There you go. Oh my god, this is adorable. I love the color, it's so cute. And let's open up the product. This is the blush, you guys. I love peachy blushes. and it is called Matchmaker, which is perfect for Valentine's Day. The next thing that I see, I'm gonna put this over here. The next thing I see is like wrapped up in this bubble wrap. So let's see. Ooh, I think it's an eyeshadow. So this is by the brand Real Her. Never heard of this brand. And this is an eyeshadow called Incomparable. And this is nice. It's in like an everyday, like tan, nude-ish, natural eyeshadow. And the last thing I see inside my Ipsy bag is this item. It's called Contacts Liquid Lacquer, so I'm assuming is a liquid lipstick. So let's open it up. It's called Mad to Love. Ooh. I love like nudie, brownish type of, yes, perfect. This is my everyday lipstick, like color. I love it, you guys. Hopefully it's good quality. So this is what it's called. It's called Contacts Liquid Lacquer, and it is in the color Mad to Love. And let's see how it looks from inside. Ooh, smells nice. It smells sweet, but it's not overwhelming, like with hints of vanilla. And that's how the brush looks like. So I'm excited for this color, you guys. So those were all the items that I received in my Ipsy bag. My Ipsy bag is empty, and I'm just very excited to use this bag. It's very sturdy, very good quality. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you guys would like to see any future Ipsy unboxings, just let me know down in the comment section. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you guys can get notified whenever I upload a new video. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!